What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Santa Claus. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, just going to go all the way around towards the bottom and then pull that back up towards the top. Let's tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. Starting from the side, I'm just going to bend this out, down and then up. I'm just going to mirror this over on the right side. From the outside, let's bend the mustache, coming down and then up in the middle, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's line up the eyes with the outside of the mustache. So on the left, we're going to step up. Let's draw an oval, going all the way around and then back up. And then on the right side, we're going to have our character winking. So we're going to add a curve going up and then down. Let's add a circle highlight along the top of the left eye. And we'll fill the bottom in black. Let's add a thick eyebrow on top of each eye. So above the left eye, draw a straight line going across. I'm going to round up the ends with a bracket. And we'll flatten off the top. Let's do the same thing on top of the right eye. We're going to bring this down just up above. Round up the ends. And we'll close off the top. Now I'm going to place the edge of the hat in behind the eyebrow. So on the left side, I'm going to step out, curve this up and then in behind the eyebrow, continue along the middle, bend that down, and then out towards the right. Let's go back to the left side. I'm just going to round up the side of the hat brim and bend that in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's close off the top with a curve, going up in the middle, and then we'll bend that back down. Now we're going to draw the outside of the beard. From the bottom corners of the hat, goes out and then in. Let's add another curve, going around and then in. Let's add one larger curve in the middle, moving down and then back up. Let's go back up and draw the inside edge of the beard. From the side of the mustache, curve this around and then up. And on the side of the eye, bend this out and then up underneath the hat. Now let's draw on the top of the hat. We just want to shift this over towards the left. So on the left side of the hat, let's step in. Just going to bend this up and then in. Let's step back and curl the hat going out and then up toward the top. I'm just going to pull this across and then bend that down towards the right side of the hat brim. Let's draw a large circle along the top tucked in behind that point. So I'll step down and draw that circle. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the belt buckle, just underneath the beard. Let's start with a straight line going across, come down the sides, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's trace the buckle along the inside. From the bottom corners of the buckle, let's step up. Just going to trace the belt going out and then up towards the side. Let's bend the body going up and then in underneath the beard. Now from the top corners of the buckle, let's step down and follow that same curve, going out and then up towards the side of the body. And then going back to the top corners, we'll step in, draw two straight lines coming in between the beard and the belt. Let's add the fur across the bottom of the body. Starting from the bottom corners, add a bracket, going all the way around, and then in. And then back on the left side, let's curve this down the middle, and then pull that up towards the right. Now I'm going to tuck the legs in underneath the body. Leave a small gap in the center, let's step over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. Same thing on the right. And then round up the bottom of the feet, going down and then up. Let's round up the foot and then bend that back in. And then draw a straight line going up underneath the body. For the top of the foot, we'll step up and add a curve, going down and then up. Now going back up to the top, let's draw in the arms. We start from the side of the belt, then this out, and then up towards the side. Then the arm going up and then in towards the beard. Let's add a trim across the arm. And then we'll tuck the hands in underneath the cuff, and the outside will step in, draw a half circle on both sides. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Santa Claus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.